Hi everyone, my name is Richard A.Dalangin, a third year BSc student at University of the Visayas Toledo City campus. So I am here today to discuss about data analysis. So first is data analysis. So data analysis, it is the process in which a raw data is ordered and organized to be used in methods that helps to explain the past and predict the future. So data analysis, it is not about the numbers, but it is about making or asking questions, developing explanations, and testing hypotheses. So there are 6 examples of data analysis. First is text analysis, descriptive analysis, inferential analysis, diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. So data analysis is a multidisciplinary field which combines computer science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, statistics, mathematics, and knowledge domain. So first, we're gonna tackle about the computer science. It creates the tools for data analysis. The vast amount of data generated has made computational analysis critical and has increased the demand for skills such as programming, database administration, network administration, and high-performance computing. So next is artificial intelligence or AI. According to Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig, AI or artificial intelligence has to do with smart programs, so let's get on and write some. In other words, AI studies or artificial intelligence studies the algorithms that can stimulate an intelligent behavior. So from the word intelligence, it has the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. In data analysis, we use AI or artificial intelligence to perform those activities that require intelligence, such as inference, similarity search, or unsupervised classifications. So next is machine learning or ML. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms to learn how to react in a certain situation or recognize patterns. According to Arthur Samuel, 1959, machine learning is a field of the study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. ML has large amount of algorithms, generally split into 3 groups, given how the algorithms is training: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. So supervised learning is the machine learning task of learning a function that maps an input to an output based on example input and output pairs. It infers a function from level training database consisting of a set of training examples. Another great examples of supervised learning is text classifications problems. In this set of problems, the goal is to predict the class level of a given piece of text. One particularly popular topic in text classifications is to predict the sentiment of a piece of text, like a tweet or a product review. So, unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning that looks for previously undetected patterns in a data set with no pre-existing labels and with a minimum of a human supervision. Learnings. So, in some use cases for unsupervised learning, more specifically, clustering include customer segmentation or understanding different customer groups around which to build marketing or other business strategies. Genetics, for example, clustering DNA patterns to analyze evolutionary biology. So reinforcement learning or RL is an area of machine learning concerned with how super agents ought to take action in an environment in order to maximize the notion of cumulative rewards. Reinforcement learning is one of three basic machine learning paradigms alongside supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So, the example of reinforcement learning is a machine learning method, agent, state, and reward environment, value function, model of the environment, model-based methods are some important terms using in RL learning or reinforcement learning method. The example of reinforcement learning is your cat is an agent that is exposed to the environment. So next is the statistics. In January 2009, Google chef's economist Hal Varian said, I keep saying the sexy job in the next 10 years will be the statisticians. People think I'm joking, but who would guess the computer engineers will be in the sexy job of the 1990s? Statistics is the development and application or method to collect, analyze, and interpret data. Data analysis encompasses a variety of statistical techniques such as simulation, Bayesian methods, forecasting, regressions, time series analysis, and clustering. So, statistical methods involved in carrying out a study include planning, designing, collecting data, analyzing, and drawing meaningful interpretation and reporting of the research findings. The statistical analysis gives meaning to the meaningless numbers, thereby breathing life in. So next is mathematics. Data analysis makes a lot of mathematical techniques such as linear algebra. So we already familiar with linear algebra, right? So this is the vector and matrix factorization and eigenvalue, numerical methods, and conditional probability in the algorithms. In these books, all the chapters are self-contained and include the necessary math involved. So last is the knowledge domain. One of the most important activities in data analysis is asking questions and good understanding of the knowledge domain. can give you the enter- expertise and intuition needed to ask questions. Data analysis is used in almost all the domains such as finance, administration, business, social media, government, and science. So knowledge domain, we need to ask questions in order for us to have good understanding and gain knowledge.